4,300 people in North Carolina died from overdoses in 2022, and that trend is still going up, devastating entire communities. WRO data journalist Ali Ingersoll has the latest data from the state, and she joins us live from the state health department. Ali, some of these numbers are difficult to grasp.
Yeah, Gerald, they really are. So to understand the gravity of this situation and just how many lives have been lost, I wanted to look at it in a different way, in a different perspective, by population. So stick with me here. Imagine if in just 1 year, everyone from the town of Mount Olive just disappeared. They no longer existed. In over 20 years, people from a town the size of Fuquay-Varina did. Well, that's exactly what is happening due to the opioid crisis. 4,300 people over 1 year, 37,000 over about 20 years, all because of this one cause.
Heartbreaking. I never get used to it.
Frida McDonald's world has been turned upside down. First, her son Stephen died from gun violence.
I do think that the loss of his brother impacted him very deeply because of that sensitivity.
And 4 years later, Michael lost his life due to an overdose.
There's no question in my mind that they would want me to do what I'm doing.
This is what McDonald is doing.
These are all people who have overdosed and died?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, and they're all from North Carolina.
She's putting up billboards showing the faces of loved ones lost from the opioid crisis. There are 300 faces already, but there could be thousands more. In 2022 alone, 12 North Carolinians died every day from overdoses.
That number has risen so much I can't even wrap my head around it.
More than 4,300 people total that year, according to that DHHS data just released, which is up 121% since McDonald's son Michael's death in 2016.
It's getting to the point that if it hasn't touched you directly, it may have touched your friend's son down the road. So I see that more and more. I rarely have a conversation with someone that doesn't know someone.
With more than $1 billion coming to the state from the opioid settlements, McDonald hopes this crisis can be turned around and no more families will grieve the way she has.
We're not really just helping one. We're helping everybody that loves that one person, and that can be a lot of people.
Frida is currently working on a 4th billboard. Right now she has 77 people for that. She says she's hopeful though, and she's looking forward to the day where she doesn't have to add any more faces to those billboards because no more people are dying from this crisis. Gerald.
Wouldn't that be wonderful? Ali Ingersoll reporting live. Thank you.